Namaste everyone, this is Monica here again. So today's practice is very interesting because we are doing full body workout, but we are focusing more on our core. So if you're looking to lose weight or planning to get a slimmer waist, this practice is perfect for you. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So come front of your mat and let's try to relax our entire body and be present in this moment. So we'll come into Samasthiti. So Samasthiti is hands completely relaxed, shoulder relaxed, palms open, feet shoulder width apart. Close your eyes and feel your presence. Be in the moment. Forget all the tasks coming in your mind. Promise yourself to be present throughout the practice. Let's dedicate a few breaths to ourselves. So when you're ready, join your both hands front of your chest. Inhale deep. So we'll connect with our breath. Take your hands up. Inhale. Slowly arch your back. So we are using the glute muscle. We are not using our lower back. Go as far as you can. Come back to center. Inhale. Look straight. Now take your hips back. Bend your knees. Hands front of our chest. Come to chair. Hands on the mat. Take your right leg back. Drop your right knee. Relax your right foot. And making sure your left knee and foot is in one line. Roll your shoulders back. Look straight. Let's take 5 deep inhales. Feel the stretch. Now let's place your right hand on the mat. Shift your body balance on the left hand, right hand. Inhale. Right hand down. Exhale. Shift your body balance on your right hand. Left hand down. Inhale. Left hand down. Exhale. Both hands up. Inhale. Take your hands back. Interlock your fingers. Open your chest. Arch your back and look up. Feel the arch. Feel the opening on your chest. Release. Look straight. Hands up. Inhale. Now hands front of our chest. Now take your right elbow and place outer side of your left leg. Try to take your left elbow up. Look up. Feel the twist on your abdomen. Beautiful posture for your digestion. Inhale. Exhale. One more deep inhale. Exhale, center. Both hands up. Inhale. Both hands together. Arch your back. Look up. Relax. Hands on the mat. Tuck your back toe. Knee off. Take your left leg back. And let's hold the plank. Now, left knee closer to your left elbow. Left leg back. Touch your right knee to your right elbow. Right leg back. Let's repeat. Feel your core muscles. Stay connected. Hold the plank. Drop your knees. Relax your feet. And now walk your hands forward and feel that stretch on your upper back. Try to drop your chin to the mat. If you can't drop your chin to the mat, if you're not there, don't worry, let's pause. Feel that click, feel that stretch on your upper back. Let's walk your hands back. And relax your forehead to the mat. This is a relaxing posture, so completely rest your body, reset yourself. When you're ready, let's lift up. Now, make sure your fingers are spread equally. Hands and shoulders are aligned. Knees slightly apart and feet relaxed. Balance on your left hand. Extend your right arm, extend your left leg. Flex your left foot. Crunch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to center. Relax your right hand. Extend your left. Extend your right leg. Inhale. Exhale. Feeling your core muscles. One last. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And drop. Tuck your both toes, knees off the mat. Try to draw your chest towards your thighs. Hold here. Drop your head, relax your neck. Let's extend your legs if you can. If not, try to touch your heels one by one. Let's start battling. Wherever you are today, just don't judge yourself. And slowly and gently drop your knees. Coming back to center. Extend your left leg back. Bend your knee. And let's drop your foot forward. Come to lunge. Roll your shoulders back. Look straight. Inhale. And relax. Balance on your right hand. Left hand up. Left hand down. Right hand up. Right hand down. Inhale, both hands up. Interlock your fingers. Take your hands back. Open your chest. Roll your shoulders back. Go. Arch and look up. Come back to center. Hands up. Hands down. Take your left leg back. Come to plank. Drop your knees. Extend your right leg. Let's come to lunge again. So making sure our right knee and foot is in one line. Roll your shoulders back. Look straight. Inhale. And exhale. Again, balance on your left hand, right hand up. Right hand down. Left hand up. Left hand down. Hands up. Hands back, interlocking your fingers, arching up back and looking up. Come back to center. Join your both hands front of your chest. Let's twist other side. Hold here. Feel the twist on your abdomen, your back. Keep breathing in and out. So we are not holding our breath. We'll keep energizing our body. And come back to center. Hands down. Tuck your back toe. Knee off the mat. And slowly drag your foot forward. Come back to center. Drop your head. Relax your neck. You can always bend your knees if you're not there today. Wherever you feel comfortable, just stay there. Slide your hands on your shin bones and look straight. Let's come back to Samasthiti. Hands front of our chest again. Hip back, knees bent, coming to chair. Hands to the mat. Step back and see if you can sit into Vajrasana. And from here, we'll extend our legs. Making sure our spine is completely straight, you can take support of your hands. Let's bend your knees. Now, hands to the side. Slightly lean back. Lift your feet off the mat. Stay here, look straight. Extend your right leg, toes pointing forward. Relax your breath, bring your knee back. Extend your left, right, left, right, and left, right, left. One more time, right and left. Feel the strength of your core. You will get beautiful, beautiful abs with this exercise if you will try to do this workout, yoga workout, at least 3 times a week. Now hold here or extend your legs forward. Use your core muscle. If you're not there today, let's hold your hamstring and stay here. Bend your knees back. Come back to center. Both feet together into butterfly posture. Hands on your feet, spine straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. You can stay in this posture for as long as you want. So that's all for today. I'm very sure you have loved this practice. Please comment in my video what sort of videos you want me to make for you. Thank you very much. I always enjoy my practice because it gives me peace of mind and my body feels completely relaxed. And I'm sure you're feeling same as well. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share with your friends. Thank you very much.